The water level started out at the full of 12. You can see the condensation on the outside of the machine from the steam. It doesn't actually get down to the work surface. It is from inside, above the steam comes from the valve. As you can see, the valve is at an angle. Inside the main stem of the valve is a spring which, because of the way the jug goes in, offsets itself every so often, and you need to take the mechanism apart and reset it, and it's fine for another 3 or 4 up to 6 uses. It's, I think, purely and simply excess room within the valve system. I would suggest staying with a tried and tested system